Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel and today we're going to be making tacos de fajita. Okay guys, today's ingredients are going to be some fajitas, tortillas, manteca de puerco, and some onions, okay? And also for garnish, we're going to be using some cilantro. So first things first guys, we're going to be using the manteca and we're going to pour just a couple spoonfuls in here to get it going, okay guys? Okay, the pan's already hot. We're just gonna go ahead and put some there, some over here, and here we're gonna be cooking the onions. And on this side over here, we're gonna be cooking the fajita meat. Okay, guys. So here we go. Okay, and this meat is, you just order it like fajita para tacos, okay guys? So it's pretty simple. You don't really have to mess with it. See, it's already in kind of chunks. Ready to go. Yeah, doing this to spread the manteca, guys, okay? And this will come out in no time. It's gonna be really good, really quick. Okay, on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and put the onion. So in just a few minutes, it's gonna start to smell incredible, guys. Like, I could already start smelling. It smells really, really good. Now over here, I want to add some more manteca. Once the onions are cooked, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take them out, and we're gonna put some more manteca on here and kind of do that with the tortillas, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. So we just gave this a few flips, just kind of turn them over and stuff. So right now it's starting to smell mamalon. Okay, so that means it smells incredible. It smells awesome. Okay, so watch out. Just be careful with your onions, guys. Don't let them burn. Okay, you gotta be mixing them. Now these tacos, they're like super easy to make, super simple. All we did was bought the meat already marinated, pre-made, pre-cut, and everything. A lot of meat markets or carnicerias, they'll do that. And you won't have to be messing with different seasonings, anything like that. It's already come pre-seasoned, everything. Smells delicious, smells good, really good. So yeah, it's easy as putting it in the pan and go ahead and just cooking it up, guys. Now we can go ahead and give this another turn. It smells delish, guys. That smells delish. Well, look, guys, this is kind of how you want the onion to look. Okay? Super, little bit brownish. But it's smelling fantastic, guys. I'm going to let it cook for a little bit more, a little bit longer. So, a friend of mine actually wanted me to start making some jokes and stuff. So, I mean, I don't have any on the top of my head. So we're going to go ahead and ask Google, okay? Hey Google, tell me a joke.
How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it.
Did you hear that? Let's try another one, okay? Hold on, let me turn up the volume. Hey Google, turn volume up to 100%. Okay? Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why was the cheetah so bad at hide and seek? No matter where she hid, she was always spotted.
Alright. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why did the scarecrow keep getting promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Get it? Scarecrow in the field? Nice. There's one, it says something about a duck on it. Hey Google, tell me a duck joke.
Why does a duck have tail feathers? To cover its butt quack.
Alright, that's enough with the jokes, guys. So there you go. I hope you're happy, Christian. Anyway, here we go, guys. It's starting to look good. We're going to let it cook a little bit longer. But it smells fantastic. Here's my Jack Black impression, okay, from Nacho Libre. It's looking good. Real good. It looks fantastic. Tell me what you guys think about that, guys. Encarnación. That movie, it was so dumb, but it was so good. Like, I remember me and a buddy, Sergio, we went to go, we're going to go see another movie at the movies. We were younger back then. And so we were waiting on that movie, and that movie was sold out, right? So they had like a later showing and stuff. So he's like, man, let's go watch Nacho Libre. And I'm like, bro, I don't want to go see Nacho Libre, man. Like, come on, dude. Like, that movie looks dumb. Like, come on, man, let's go. I'm like, all right. So we went. I ended up going 2 more times in the theater to go see that movie. That's how dumb and stupid it was. Like, it was so funny. But that's one of my favorite movies now, so. Anyway, this thing is almost done. The onions are good to go. I'm gonna put these on the plate here. And then in a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the papillas on this side. Okay, we're gonna use that same manteca that we used earlier. Okay, and it makes a big difference on these tacos. Okay. So right now it has still some left over on here. So I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and see, this kind of what you do. Bam. Like that. Okay, kind of get it to where it got some of the manteca on there. Okay. Check this out, guys. Doesn't that look good? Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn.
That smells really good.
Yeah. That what?
Smells really good.
It smells really good? Yeah, I'm telling you.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, guys, so all I'm doing right now is putting these in these 4 tacos ready. Remember, Daniel's hungry. Okay. We're gonna add our onion. Look at that, guys. Damn, Daniel, why you put a lot of onion? Because I like a lot of onion, guys, okay? Then we're going to add some cilantro. Freshly chopped cilantro. Okay? And we finish it off with some lime. Okay? Well, let's give this a try. I'm going to take one. It looks so good, guys. Look. Check that out, guys. Super yummy Okay, here we go. This is really, really good, guys. Can't tell you enough how good it is. Freaking mamalón. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like our video, share, and remember, only the strong subscribe. Don't you want a little taste of the glory? See what it tastes like.